everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I got a message from the salary team, which is the unit storage, and they informed me that my parcel had arrived and I need to collect it by yesterday until 2 or 3 days from the date of the parcel being received. At first I was very shocked and I was like, when did I do the online shopping since I have not done it for a while? And suddenly my sister called me this morning and asked whether I have received the present from her or not. So she's the one that posted this parcel, and this is the parcel. She bought this from Zara, and I can't actually wait to open it as she does not want to tell me anything about this parcel. And there's another one, which is the blue color. I like the colors, and I will try to see the fabric. I will try to test the fabric. The fabric is quite thick actually, but it's so good as I have searching for this type of fabric for like a long time, and yeah, I think it should fit me well. And even though it looks so big, but I think it should me well. And Kaca, if you see this post, I would like to thank you for giving me this, as I love it so much. So guys,